find where your Kinemaster is. Here is Kinemaster. Click on Kinemaster. When you find it, Kinemaster is like that one. Kinemaster. Open Kinemaster. Then select new video. Pick the project that you need, like the code is 16 by 9. Select 16 by 9. Then the next step, come here where it's written media. Then select video that you want to edit. Like for example, I pick this one. I pick my video. This is my video. Okay, let me watch my video. This is the original video before we edit. This is the original video. So the next step that you're supposed to do is click that one. Then when you get it here, you mark, then split like that one. When you split the video like that one, you will find is only this piece that it has remained. Yeah, that one. So the next step is find the background. You come here to the media, then choose a white background. Select a white background, and this is the white background. It appears like that one. Yeah, like that one. So the next step you need to do, you come down there, you mark this one like that one. When you do like that one, you select that one, then you capture and edit layer. Capture and edit layer. This is the layer that we have edited. This is the layer. This layer. So you come here, select, and make sure that this is appear big. Like select the square. It will be like that one. Then save it. It will be like that one. It will be like that one. Yeah, it will be like that one. So the next thing you need to do, add the video. Add now this full video. Come here to the layer, add video, select the video that you want. For example, I do pick this one. So I will start it. I'll enlarge this video of mine. I will enlarge it like that one. So when I save it, it will be like this one. It will be like that one. So just wait and see what will happen. It will be just like that one. Yeah, like that one. So you need to expand the layer until where the video reaches. You need to expand this layer, and you need to expand the white. You need to expand this white background so that it can be rhyme with the video, this video that you want to edit, like this layer. The layer 2 will be expand after this one. So it will be very easy when you want to put this thing. It will happen like this one, like that one, that one. But it will be simple when it comes like that one. So you need to reduce the the known as the full video. This one you need to reduce it. You come here to the alpha, then you reduce the sensitivity like that one, so it will be like that one. So let's try now. We save it. So let's try. Let us see how it will happen. Wow. Now it's not. Let's reduce the alpha a little bit like that one to 20. Then let's try. Yeah, that way. So the next thing you need to do is pull the blind. You make it full like that one. Then you can kill the sound, original sound. You kill original sound. Same with this one. You kill original sound. So it will be like that one. Then you can select music that you want, like let's pick the one. Let us pick that one. So it will be like, and that one you complete your video, then you save. Here is the video. then you save. Now it's done. You can make this video perfect more than this one. When you come here to your file, where's your file?